This is a part of a series of 4 videos designed to help you better understand the steps that you can take to get started with SAP Intelligent RPA. The first video, Getting Started with SAP Intelligent RPA, will help you to get started with a trial version of SAP Intelligent RPA. It walks you through creating your own free trial account on the SAP Cloud Platform, to subscribing to the SAP Intelligent RPA subscription, setting down basic security, and downloading and installing the on-premise components and the setup of the desktop agent for SAP Intelligent RPA. In the second video, we talk about configuring your RPA factory tenant. This will help you to understand the elements of the factory and aid you in getting started to develop and run SAP Intelligent RPA bots. In video 3, you're introduced to the SAP Intelligent RPA bot store. This is where you'll find an extensive collection of pre-configured content that will help you to automate the SAP S/4HANA business process. The bots in the store are all available free for download. In video 4, we go through the process required to run a pre-configured bot downloaded from the bot store. Here you'll learn about how bots leverage variables and how you can use the test script included with the bots to walk through a live example complete with some rudimentary monitoring and execution management skills. Finally, we encourage you to subscribe to the SAP Intelligent RPA channel on YouTube. This channel is packed with videos and targeted playlists to help propel you forward with SAP Intelligent RPA. There are links to the sap.com page for SAP Intelligent RPA, where you'll find helpful information about our product, our vibrant and active SAP Intelligent RPA community, and more. Also, please don't forget to like this video and others if it helps you out. This is a really big help to us at SAP to bring you more valuable information. Thanks. We hope that you enjoy this series, so let's get started.